Hey folks, it's Black Glacier yet again. Okay, today I'm going to try and be working on the motherboard and getting it installed with the components and then installed into the case itself. After that, I'm going to also try to get the water cooler hooked up, and from there hopefully trying to do the cabling. I just noticed I actually don't have much battery presently on my phone, so might end up having to cut this short at some point. But anyways, here we go. Hello again, by the way. Now you'll probably notice I'm using the accessory thing from the mesh fight, just if nothing else for a protective place to work on some of this. Because that is an old table and it does not need any more cuts and scratches, and it's already been through the poor thing. By the way, I find this funny, and some of y'all might as well. See how big this box is? Ain't that kind of funny? All that for just one little component. And big empty box after that. Kind of funny how some part manufacturers do stuff, but as long as it gets here and intact. I remember what I was telling you about the storage medium. No bigger than the size of a lighter. This. RAM, courtesy of that nameless friend. Last but not least, video card. Let's replace the rest. The motherboard. That spooked the hell out of me. Put that in there now. I can work that later. Okay. I think I still have some bits and bobs in there. Still not quite sure what that's. Well, I think it's a cleaning component, but not 100% certain. Use any of this. It would be rather pathetic. Don't know, still. There. My cat is thankfully asleep at the moment, so I shouldn't have too many disruptions from my little fluffy garden. Alright. Now, like I said before, this is a static proof bag, So this will somewhat protect components as you work on it. So that's why you're seeing me putting it on the bag rather than on this. The static can be a lethal enemy of working on this stuff. Here we have it. Ain't that beautiful? Expensive, but beautiful. Alright. And we need those instruction books wherever they want. Let's see. That's for the power supply. That's for the power supply. There we go. That's for the motherboard. Okay, let's see. Now we want to see how to put in the storage medium. There we go. Okay, so the storage for this is right here. So I'll have to pop this off, and then memory storage will go there, the RAM right there. So first things first, we're going to start with that storage. Second thing we'll do is the RAM, and the final thing will be installing the chip and then getting this installed into the computer's case. Once that's done, we'll also move on to hooking up the water cooler to this, and we'll figure out what from there. Okay, now let's see. Some screws. Video demonstration. Actually, I want to cut this video short real quick to go ahead and watch this video demonstration. Better safe than sorry, so sorry. This will be a... Nothing like recording live, eh? This will be a part 1 to a part 2, so see y'all in a bit.